Samsung Galaxy A15. Yes, Samsung Galaxy A15. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Let's break this here. I'm sure it's written, don't accept if the seal is broken. Open up. I'm sure this is a guide with Type-C cable. Having whether it's watch, Samsung phones, SA, there is always a Type-C cable inside. And the manual. So you'll have to read about the phone condition and stuff. So let's see what's inside. Box. Obvious. The A15. The injector pin. Done. We have the phone itself. What's inside? Nothing. Alright. Open up. It's like a pest. Let's move the money out. Power the phone for the first time. Samsung. Secured by Knox, powered by Android. It's quite good to continue with the setup, but I will speed up the video for personal information. Setup manually. Dr. SA. Let's wait for it to restart. Maybe it won't update itself. I will be reviewing a Samsung Tech 2 white video on the description below. Oh yeah, so don't have an eSIM. We're gonna insert a SIM card, another SIM card since it's a dual phone SIM. The SIM tray, side by side tray. Wait, SIM 2, SIM 1. Let's insert. Of course, we are not done. Something is missing. The screen protector. Also a pouch. I got this one from Tagalot.com, South Africa. So we'll be installing or inserting this wipe 1 and wipe 2. You first apply the wipe 1 on the device. Applying. Wipe 2. applying. And then we apply the screen protector. Carefully place it and make sure that there is no bubble. First time, and let's see how it will look like. Quite good.